Question 8 was a very badly answered question, and also it was a very difficult question to really understand what was going on. So Thomas ran a lucky dip stall. We're told that tickets are 50p, and tickets ending 00 win £12. Tickets that end in a 5 win £1.50. We're told that there were 750 tickets, numbered 1 through to 750. Thomas sold all the winning tickets and some of the losing tickets, and he made a profit of £163. How many losing tickets did he sell? So we're not sure whether he sold all the tickets, but we're told that he has sold all the winning tickets and some of the losing ones. So what we need to do is really write out a list of ticket numbers to help us work out what the prizes were, because we know he sold all the winning tickets, we should focus on this part first. So we know tickets ending in 00 win £12. So for example, ticket number 100 would win £12. Other ones that end in 00 would be 200, 300, 400. Okay, it only goes up to 750, so therefore we've got 7 tickets at a £12 prize. So we've got 7 lots of 12, and that's our prize that we're giving out. The other tickets are the ones that are ending in 5. So we have ticket number 5, ticket number 15, 25, 35, and so on. Okay, I can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm not going to bother writing it all the way up down to 700, but I can think to myself, if that goes up to 100 and that's 10, then 200 is going to be 20. So by the time I get down to 700, I have got 70, and then 705, 715, 725, 735, 745 is going to be the last lot of winning tickets. So I've got 75. So I've got 75 lots of £1.50. It's quite helpful to write down what you're actually working out. So these are the prizes. So we could say the total prize, or the prize money that's given out, we're going to do 7 times 12. There's 7 lots of £12 prizes, which you should know is 84 from our times tables. 75 lots of £1.50. On our calculators, we can work that out as to be £112.50. And therefore, if we add up these two values, again on your calculator, you might as well use it as it's a calculator paper, £196.50, and that's given out as prize money. Now the next thing we need to think about is that he made a profit of £163. So if he has given out £196.50, so in other words he is now overdrawn, in order to have a profit of £163, we need to add them on. Okay, if we think about his bank balance, his original bank balance is 0. He's now given out £196.50 in terms of prize money, but his final bank balance was in the positive by £163. So he needs to earn back his money to get back to 0, and then we're adding on £163. So that's why we do 196.50 add on the 163. So let's write that down. £163 add the 196.50. Therefore, the total prize money, or the total sales he should have received, was 359.50. So he must have got those in ticket sales in order for him to end up with a profit of £163 after he's paid out on all the prize money. So if we now divide this, we know from the question that tickets were 50p, and because I've given my answer in pounds, I should really divide it by 0.5, considering 0.5 is £0.50. That then gives me a total, an answer of 719 tickets. So that's how many tickets he must have sold in order to have got this money. Now, in the question it said that Thomas sold all the winning tickets and some of the losing ones. How many losing tickets did he sell? So we know he sold 719 tickets. We know he sold all the winning tickets. So remember that's 7 and 75, that should say. That's what we had here. So if we take away these, that was going to leave us with a number of tickets that were losers, and that's 637. Looking at the mark scheme, this is where you get your marks. If I can see 7 and 75, you get 1 mark. Okay, this is why it's helpful to have it all nicely laid out. So 7 and 75, that will give me 1 mark. Then by multiplying the 7 by 12 and 75 by £1.50, that gives you your 2nd mark. Again, it's this part that's important to give you your marks. If you write that down but you for some reason got the wrong answer here, you would still get the mark. If you then added up correctly and you got this or this, then you get the 3rd mark by timesing it by 2 or dividing it by 0.5, or if you've got 719, you get the 4th mark. If you then subtract the winning tickets, you get the 5th mark, and if you get 637, you get all 6 marks.